The Mercedes-Benz Citan is a panel van and leisure activity vehicle and badge-engineered variant of the Renault Kangoo introduced in 2012 and made by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz as a replacement for the Vaneo compact MPV. Production. The Citan, also known internally as the W415, is a result of the partnership between Daimler and the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance and is assembled by Renault subsidiary MCA in the northern French town of Maubeuge, alongside its twin vehicle the Renault Kangoo. The varied body styles of the Citan are because the vehicle is aimed at both the passenger car and light commercial vehicle markets. The Citan is the first Mercedes-Benz to be launched into the commercial vehicle market since the Vito in 1995. Daimler claimed the leisure activity vehicle sector is the fastest growing market area in Europe, accounting for 700,000 sales annually. Body styles. The Citan is available in 3 different lengths: compact, 3.94 meters, long, 4.32 meters, and extra long, 4.71 meters. The vehicle comes in 3 body styles: panel van, dual-liner, and trade-liner, with the panel van seating up to 2 people, and both the dual-liner and trade-liner seating up to 5. Safety. The Citan trade-liner received 4 passenger stars in the Euro NCAP safety tests. The Mercedes-Benz Citan Combi was first tested by Euro NCAP in April 2013 and was given a 3-star rating. Mercedes-Benz indicated at the time that they would improve the safety performance of the vehicle, especially the deployment of the side airbag and the installation of child restraints, and that they would provide a seatbelt reminder for the front passenger seat and make the speed limitation device comply with Euro NCAP's requirements. These changes are now in production and Euro NCAP has reassessed the vehicle. Several tests have been redone to assess the changes that Mercedes-Benz have made. Where the performance is not influenced by the changes, test results have been carried over from the original assessment. Marketing. In 2012, Mercedes-Benz began a marketing campaign for the Citan with Richard Dean Anderson reprising his role as the popular TV show character MacGyver. The series of short films, titled MacGyver and the New Citan, is available on the official Citan website from September 18 onwards. The episodes were shot in Johannesburg, South Africa, in July 2012. References. External links. Mercedes-Benz official Citan website.